Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to open the Steeldive puck. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me how to open one of these, and I will show you how to open it today. Because this, you have to unscrew the crystal, because the crystal is integrated with the bezel. As you can see, it does have a case back, but you have to take everything out from the front. So what you're going to need is one of these movement or watch holders. Put that on there like that. And then you will need one of these Burgeon balls or a suction cup or something to turn the actual crystal. And you want to turn it clockwise. And then when you tighten it, it's counterclockwise. That should have done it right there. And there it is. Crystal and bezel is off. As you can see on the back side, I sanded down the turtle chapter ring to fit in perfectly. Fits nice and snug in there. And then here's the movement and everything on there. And then installation is straightforward, the same thing, backwards. Just make sure that you put everything on correctly, so when you turn it, and then with this you can line up the markers for the indices. And there you go. Pretty straightforward. Just want to give you guys a quick look on how to install one of these and remove the crystal to get to it. Alright. Have a wonderful day, guys.